Hello everybody, welcome back. Found a brand new house. Looks like a craftsman house. I don't really see craftsmen around here too often, so I'm gonna have a look-see. See what's inside. The door is nailed shut, so coming in through here. Ah, look at all them cement. Alright, so we're coming in through a garage. It's an interesting setup over here. Looks like the laundry room will be over here. And then it looks like a powder room will be out the back door. And then you got a closet here, and a closet here, cubby space here, some kind of closet over here. Okay, that will be the powder room, according to the pipes. So many back doors around here. Looks like they're going to be putting duct work in next. So this is the great room. I'm standing in the kitchen right now, but then the dining room, and then the living room with the fireplace, probably the pantry, and then you get this hallway, a tornado shelter that's actually designed for under the stairs, and then you get two bedrooms down here. Right off the garage. As you can see, it has a closet of its own. That bedroom over there has a walk-in of its own. And then they both share this bathroom. Of course, they only get a shower, stool, and a pair of sinks. So look at the picture windows. Holy Christmas. Of course, this flat ceiling. Kids. Those are kids next door. Fireplace. We're going into the master bedroom. It has its own little vestibule. Now this is a small master bedroom for a house this size in this community. I swear, I swear, I swear. It's probably only like 12 feet wide. Some people wouldn't like that in this big community. Now this is a huge, huge, huge bathroom though. But again, that's kind of a very small master bedroom. Of course, you get a shower, you get a toilet, closet, and possibly, a sink. The tub's in the middle here. Another sink. And then I'll walk around, we'll pass through closet with a window. And then let's go back out through here. A little disappointed. Okay, so that was the front door that I could not get into earlier. I don't force my way into things, so I didn't try to. Closet. This is an unusual house because of that bedroom and the big room. Alright, so we're up here. Uh-oh, soft spot in the floor. Okay, so this is unusual. We got this big room here. Not a bedroom, obviously. And then we got this doorway into this another gigantuous room with a closet. And then there's its attic access. Nice window though. I don't know, library perhaps. And then of course that slide over there, the kids that I heard. Nice view though. Alright, so you got this hallway. And then you got a bedroom in front. And it looks like it has a Jack and Jill. very small, cramped vestibule. Then here's your bathroom with the big front window. Probably the toilet. This camera's got to focus better. Okay, so I'm guessing sink. And then here's just another bedroom, or room, because it opens up into another room with a window. I don't get it. Okay, so closet probably, and then back into the hallway. But I'm guessing that this here was a mistake, and this is all supposed to be closed in, because this would be another bedroom in here. Attic access. Yeah, because it's got a closet and its own big window. Oh my goodness, look at the time. Alright, and there's just a linen closet, walk-in closet for that bedroom. Alright, down the stairs I go so I can film the back of this house. It's got a beautiful backyard. Alright, that's a lot of windows. Let's see if we can get around this duct work that they have all over the floor. It's kind of windy today, but it's very hot. I think it's only April. Watch my head there, I almost brained myself. The kids are out today, having a good time. Let me see if I can get over this mountain. Right, looks like. See, that's the back of the house. It's very unusual. Alright, as usual, I hope you liked it.